So I've been trying to figure out why these motorcycle trips are so important to me. You know, is it because I'm out here with my wife? I'm out here with my friends? You know, is it because it's dangerous? Is it because it's, you know, we're just out here exploring? I don't know. I guess it's all that. But it's not the same as in a car. In the beginning of Zen, the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance, he puts it the best way I've ever heard. And I'm probably gonna screw this up, so it's not word for word. You know, we sit at home watching TV, it's just framed pictures. And when you're in a car, you're just staring at the world in a frame. It's just more television. Started this YouTube channel because I wanted a diary of these travels. We've had so many trips already that we've forgotten, and last night we were recalling some of them, and it's interesting what we don't remember. So when I'm getting these little snapshots of what seems just like weird random stuff, that's just me wanting to capture the memory. And the videos, the better quality the video, the better the memory is preserved. So I'm just, you know, I'm doing the best I can. And I really love sharing it. The community that we've met through this YouTube channel, they're just the greatest folks. And I just, you know, there's some solid people out there. It's funny. You know, a good portion of the motorcycle community is at Sturgis right now. And I'm sitting by myself drinking coffee on the Deschutes River. I think I have it better. All right, let's go ride some motorcycles. We just got to Wild Horse, Harley Davidson, and Kawasaki, where we're supposed to meet up with Eric.
His bike's right out front.
His bike is out front. Let's go find him.
Put it on?
You gave me, are we going through Redmond?
Yeah, I think so.
Give me three people to call, so.
So we're gonna call him real quick?
Got a new tire, just can't put it on. At least I got a tire.
Got a tire, step one, all right.
Redmond Cycles, they're legit.
we just did, what was that, Ochoko?
Oachico.
Ochoko.
I don't know which way is right, but I do.
They had fresh
They're doing chip seal.
chip seal,
Yeah.
fucking shitloads of gravel, spitting rocks,
Fluffy.
100 degrees out. We're in Mitchell. Yeah, we just might be done.
Might live here now.
We are Mitchell residents.
Yeah.
Except for John.
Except for John. He's gonna go back again.
He wants to run the gravel again. Thought it was fun.
Yeah, it looked like he was sightseeing.
Yeah, he was taking a while. I don't know. He's slowed down quite a bit. It's weird.
It's weird. Kept the traffic off our ass.
That's right.
Yeah, I'm legit gonna let my bike cool off before I get on it again.
Yeah.
It's just boiling. So we had some ice cold bubblies.
They're really cold.
Yeah,
Almost frozen.
we're
That
taking.
Yeti's working.
He's work. Yeah, even though it broke my tail lights.
Yeah, fuck that thing.
It was we got Eric's tire on. Spoiler alert. What was that,
Yeah.
Red Wrench?
Red Wrench Cycles in Redmond.
The guy was awesome.
Guy was legit.
Yep.
He pulled the bike off the lift right away, right when I got there, so worked out.
Yep. Skip Harley, go to Red Wrench in
Yeah.
Redmond.
Yep.
Did they have the tire there? Or did you need to buy the tire first and take it
I
there?
didn't ask. He did have tires back there though.
Yeah.
Ton of bikes, so he's pretty busy. But
Super busy, but
dropped everything to fix my tires. Cool. Solid move.
yeah. So, all right. See you soon. This one has less debris.
We should just pour some water in that bitch.
We'll make it last.
Toast with water.
I mean, no, it would be half and half. Yeah, where even do you? Oh, you got some in there.
I can see there's some color there.
Yeah. Hottest days of the trip, felt like. Wasn't smoky.
No, the smoke was gone, but it was 105 degrees.
105.
I could do another 500 miles.
Bullshit.
Fuck you, John.
Don't even start. Unless there's gravel, then you're gonna hang back.
I ain't doing 500 and nothing.
So it was a beautiful morning. Ended up getting Eric's tire fixed.
Yep.
Hit some shitty gravel roads, and it's just been hot. But the riding's been amazing.
Yeah, it's been good.
And we're at Clyde Holliday, and this is just a oasis.
Oasis.
Green grass, sprinklers.
Beautiful.
We're gonna go sit in the river and just hang out. So
John's gonna catch crawdads. We're supposed to toast first, fool.
Oh, sorry.
Old Friends and New Roads.
Friends and new roads.
One more second, John.
Can't take them anywhere.
That was good. Spectacular.
Oh,
Oh my God.
good Lord.
You just throw some water in there, it'll be
Why does
fine.
it get so hot? It's gotta be the heat.
What's up, Waddle?
River chilling.
This is good, man. We got about, I don't know, 10 minutes before we gotta move.
Yeah, sun's coming.
The water's almost warm.
Yeah.
This is the mighty John Day.
Is it?
Yeah, we're sitting in the middle of it. And my butt's not even wet.
So little.
It's tiny.
I don't have enough
Oh,
hands.
it's just what we needed though.
Yeah,
Great.
yeah. Killer end to a hard day.
Yeah.
There's shitloads of crawdads here, but there are shitloads of tiny ones, but I don't care, I ain't eating them anyway.
Yeah, I don't know. John's gonna try to catch them, I think.
Yeah.
The easy part is he's catching them for a different day.
Crawdads are coming out of the woodwork though.
Yeah. I mean, it might be good.